Imagine feeling an instant boost in your mood after just 30 minutes of exercise, no pills, no waiting weeks for results. Sounds too good to be true? Well, groundbreaking research suggests it's not just wishful thinking. A recent study published in Molecular Psychiatry, https://www.nature.com/articles/S41380-025-03317-1, reveals that a single session of physical activity can deliver immediate antidepressant effects in both humans and mice. But here's where it gets even more fascinating. Scientists have pinpointed a fat-derived hormone called adiponectin as the secret behind this rapid mood enhancement. This hormone, released during exercise, triggers changes in the brain that promote emotional well-being. Could this be the key to accessible, side-effect-free depression relief? Let's dive in. The global burden of depression and the need for quick solutions. Major depressive disorder is a silent epidemic, affecting millions worldwide and straining healthcare systems. Traditional antidepressants often take weeks to work and come with unwanted side effects. While regular exercise is known to benefit mental health, the idea that a single workout could provide instant relief has been largely overlooked, until now. And this is the part most people miss. The study not only confirms this rapid effect but also uncovers the biological mechanism behind it, offering hope for those seeking immediate, non-pharmaceutical solutions. Unraveling the science, from fat cells to brain plasticity. Led by Dr. Sanada Sukyuyao, https://www.sanadayo.com, an associate professor at Hong Kong Polytechnic University, the research team explored how a 30-minute moderate-intensity run impacts mood. They recruited 40 university students and staff, half of whom exhibited symptoms of anxiety or depression. Psychological assessments before and after the exercise session revealed striking results. Participants reported higher vigor, improved self-esteem, and reduced feelings of tension and fatigue. But here's the controversial part. While these findings are promising, the study's small, specific sample size raises questions about whether these results apply to the broader population, especially those with severe depression. What do you think? Is this a limitation or a starting point for further research? To dig deeper, the team turned to mice. Using a model of chronic stress-induced depression, they found that exercised mice showed significantly fewer depression-like behaviors compared to sedentary ones. This effect kicked in within 2 hours and lasted up to 24 hours. By mapping brain activity, researchers identified the anterior cingulate cortex, a region critical for emotion regulation, as a key player. Specifically, glutamatergic neurons in this area were activated, driving the mood improvement. The role of adiponectin, a hormone that rewires the brain. Here's where it gets truly groundbreaking. The study found that exercise increases adiponectin levels in the brain. This hormone, typically secreted by fat cells, binds to receptors on glutamatergic neurons, triggering a cascade of events. It activates a protein called APPL1, which moves into the cell nucleus and influences gene expression. This process, known as epigenetic regulation, leads to the formation of new dendritic spines, tiny structures that enhance neural connections. But here's the kicker: when researchers blocked adiponectin's action, the antidepressant effect vanished. This suggests that adiponectin isn't just involved, it's essential. Could this hormone be the missing link between exercise and mental health? Implications and future directions. Dr. Yao emphasizes that exercise is one of the most accessible and cost-effective ways to combat depression. However, she acknowledges limitations, such as the focus on male mice and the need to explore how gender and age influence these effects. Here's a thought-provoking question: if adiponectin is so crucial, could synthetic versions of this hormone one day replace exercise as a depression treatment? Or is the act of moving our bodies inherently part of the solution? The team's next steps include determining the optimal intensity and duration of exercise for maximum benefit and developing population-based guidelines. Their goal? To make exercise a widely accepted, evidence-backed strategy for preventing and alleviating depression. Final thoughts. This study not only validates the power of exercise but also opens up exciting possibilities for future research. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or someone struggling with mood disorders, the message is clear: movement matters. But we want to hear from you. Do you think a single workout can truly change your mood? And if so, how might this knowledge reshape how we approach mental health care? Share your thoughts in the comments below.